Welcome back guys, I'm Tyler here. Today we're trying to build a website. So what we're going to build today is a furniture website that looks something like this, okay? As you can see from my screen here. What we're going to build today is the navigation and also this video background with the words. So first, once you go into your WordPress dashboard, you're going to go to pages. And then you're going to create a new page, okay? So we're going to give it a name, furniture home page, okay? And then once we give it a name, we're going to click on edit with Elementor. This is if you have the Elementor page builder, okay? So what we're going to do is, we're going to build this section first. What we're going to do is, we're going to add a container, okay? We're going to make it full width, 100%. And then the height, we're going to make it 100 VH. Because if you can see, this takes up the entire screen. So if I do this, it takes up the entire screen, okay? And then we're gonna make the direction vertical, and then middle, yep. And then align the items to the start, which is the left. Now, once that is done, head over to styles, and then we're gonna upload a video, okay? So how do you upload a video? What you need to do is go back to your WordPress dashboard. So you go into media, add new, select files. We already have a video here, so okay. So as you can see here, from this, you can see there's a video link required for me to put in, okay? So what I'm going to do is, once I upload, you can click on the video, okay? Click on the video, and you can copy this URL to clipboard, and then insert this URL here, okay? Then this will be your video, okay? So it's already looking something like that just now. Now what I need to do is add another container in. Add another container in, keep it at box, okay? The container will be vertical, column vertical. The content, we want it to be in the middle of the column, and then the alignment, we need it to be on the left, okay? Okay, now let's go into putting the text. So basically, for the free version of Elementor, just for using the free version only, this will be the available elements that we can use, and here as well, okay? So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna grab a heading, then we're going to change it to Grieger Dateweiser. Okay, so we're just going to copy this and like that. Grieger Dateweiser. Okay, Grieger plus Dateweiser. So if you want the words to come down and not stay there, what you can do is add a open bracket, BR, close bracket. Okay, then it will come down. Right? And then how we're going to edit the style is go to the style tab. You need to select the heading, go to the style tab. And then let's change it to white, okay? And then for the fonts, I think we will go with this, but we will go with the lighter version, maybe the medium one, okay? And then we'll increase the size, so it's something around here, I would say 56, okay? And then to make the letter spacing, as you can see, there's actually some spacing between the letters. Okay, so this is too big, probably around 48. Okay, and then give it some letter spacing. So you can see there's some spacing within the letters. For another heading, but this time we're gonna leave it as a div. So the HTML tag is basically H1, H2, H3, H4, H5. This is how Google will actually analyze your website to see which is the most important text to the least important text. So what we're gonna add here is mid with meaning. Okay, and then again we're gonna go to the styles, change it to white, and then for the fonts, it's still gonna be this, but it's gonna be lighter, and we're gonna give it a bit more space. Okay, somewhat like that. Yeah, so something like that. Okay, then lastly is the button. Okay, the button, drag the button in, and then put it below here, and change the text. So, see how we're united in craft. Okay, and then here is the link that you can put CTA if you have like a form or something like that. So we're just gonna use Times New Roman, a bit bigger. It's gonna be a bit bigger at around 16, and then the text color will be black. Okay, and then the background color will be white. So if you take a look, this is how it looks like, and compared to this. Okay, so the font might not be exactly the same, but yeah, this is a general idea of how you're gonna build your website. Click on publish, and then exit, go back to pages, then view. For the navigation, since this is a free one, we're gonna do it the old way. Okay, what you're gonna do is you're gonna come into appearance and then click on customize. Okay, then there will be a header builder, and then here is where you edit your header. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, let's say we select a logo, upload it. Okay, skip cropping. Okay, and then we're gonna bring it down to somewhere 164, yeah, something like that. Okay, we're gonna remove the title, and then we're gonna add in the menu. But notice the menu only has one items. So how are you gonna add that? So basically, what you need to do is you go to appearance, menu, okay, and then you need to create a menu. So let's say we're gonna create a main menu. Okay, and then we're gonna make this the primary menu, create menu, and then here there's only one page. So as more page you make, the more items you can add to the menu. Okay, but for the sake of this tutorial, we're gonna add custom links instead. Okay, so we're gonna add home, products, resource, textile, inspiration, about. Okay, product, textile, inspiration, about. Okay, I'm gonna change this a bit. Okay, as for the home, we're gonna remove it and then we're gonna link it on logo. Alright, so save menu, and then I think I need to publish this first, some time, and let me refresh the whole thing. Alright, so you can see there's a product, textile, inspiration, about. Okay, continue with the header builder. Okay, what we're gonna add here is a search bar. Okay, and then icon size, design, we can give it a bit of margin on the right, so it comes to the middle a bit more. Alright, and then for the icon color, we're just gonna leave it at black. Okay, so you can see it looks something like that. Okay, so here I can change the font also to Roboto. So this is the font weight, we're gonna give it normal. Font size, and then this one we're gonna give it a bit of spacing. Okay, so yep, now it's looking more similar. So the menu font, okay, menu font weight, this is, oops, okay, 16, and then we're gonna give it a heavy weight. Yep. Okay, and then the color, and make it top. Alright, so it looks something like that, and then we're gonna add a secondary menu. So as you can see, there's a secondary menu on the top. Okay, so yeah, but the font I think is still a bit too big. I think I'm gonna bring it down. Yeah, yep, that will do. Okay, alright, and then on top of that secondary menu, we're gonna add a secondary menu. Okay, and then here what we're gonna do is, again, go back to your menu, create another new menu, secondary menu. Okay, So this will be a secondary menu. Create the menu. Okay, and then add your items in, which is showrooms, customer service, contact us. So custom links, hashtag showrooms, hashtag customer service, then contact. Do note if you create these pages, you can actually just edit from the page tab, but because we didn't create these pages, so we're gonna use custom links. Okay, save menu. Okay, then again we're gonna publish. And then we're gonna refresh. So as you can see, the menu looks something like that. So what we can do again here is edit the font. I'm gonna change it to Times New Roman. Okay, and then you can edit your colors here. Alright. So another thing to do to finalize all this is to make that page we created previously your home page. Okay, so how you're gonna do that is again come into customize, appearance customize. Okay, home page settings, a static page, and then select furniture. Okay, so you publish it. Okay, so this is a general idea on how you make it, and then to see your full site, tutorial@midazu.com. So this bar on top here, this WordPress bar, is only visible to you if you log into WordPress. Don't worry, it's not visible to anyone else. Alright, so that's all for today. Thank you and see you.